friends, in last class we have already discussed about that what is the nature of culture. As in today's class, let us discuss about that what are the importance of culture, why the culture is important to society. Is it? Is importance of culture. Is here we can see the 4 points, that is the culture is treasure of knowledge. It is culture is a treasure of knowledge, and it is a very needed for physical and mental development and the existence of the society also. What is it? Is the culture is the very necessary for physical and also the what is mental existence. Then animals get the adjustment with the natural environment, but human being is not likewise, is it? So he have his particular values, culture, tradition, is it? So it's a very necessary. So here the language is also tool for the what it is culture is very essential. It is a very needed to us. Is our future generation is guided by what is the present generation. Is it? Our values, traditions, customs, ideas, all are what is transferred to the languages. For example, they are stored this our culture by the some more proverbs, then afterwards folk songs, then some literary sources. Is it? So through that what we are seeing here, they continues our culture. So likewise we can see that many more what is folk songs are there on that the Jogula Padasa, is it? So what we can see here, so it is the generate to one person to another person's means they continue that Jogula Pada to the next generation, is it? So Kandelli Adiyano Kadleli Chalyavu Dundu Muttelli Udravu Enna Kanda Enna Bindli Kandoru Kodirama. So in this what is Jogula Pada, what we can see here, so how a mother is narrate and also they love his child, is it? Then how she decorate her child, is it? How she makes the makeup to the child, is it? So all these things we can see in the Jogula Pada. Then afterwards we can see in the folk songs, is it? Kudrena Tandivni, Jinava Kattivni, Barabeku Tangi, is it? So likewise what it is the one of the custom to call the sister who married, is it, who live in the what it is her husband house, is it? So these customs and traditions are transferred to present generation to next generation by the language, is it? So we store all this culture by how? By how? By the language, folk songs, returns, proverbs, is it? So through that we are using that. Is it? Uppu tinda ಒಂದು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಲೇಬೇಕು. It means what is who makes the mistake? He should what is face the problems, is it? So likewise what is we can see that language is a tool to generate our culture to next future generation. Okay, it's the very essential. So here culture is not only it is the bundle of tradition, but it is the treasure of knowledge. Then it is a very essential for social development. But animals are not likewise. They start to grow, and they adjust with the natural environment. But we are all not likewise because of we are human beings. So here culture is the very essential for the development of the society, is it? Then next one is the culture explains the situation, is it? Is what culture explains the situation, how it explains the situation is culture explains the uncivilized situation to civil nowadays, is it? Civilized situation is particular time, how that time is, it means it explains the situation, how it is, how is the particular period. For example, Samudragupta, in the sense Gupta era is there in our Indian history. The Guptas is also one of the kingdom, Gupta kingdom, is it? So on that Gupta emperor we can see that the golden age we can see in the Samudragupta period, is it? So political, economical, social, spiritual, all development took place in the period of the Samudragupta period. He is the first Indian king to what is circulate the golden coins in our India, is it? So we called his what is second he is the Napoleon of our India. So likewise that culture is explains about the particular period, is it? So then we can see that Badami, Aihole, Patadakallu, these are all, this culture is providing us what it is wonderful knowledge to as how our society is developed and civilized to civilized position. Understand, this is all about the culture explains the situation. And culture is defined values. Yes, culture is really, culture means in a short form, culture is, it means the good behavior, is it? So it defines the values, which are the values, which are the necessary. So here, value is a tool that analyzes the attitude, behavior, thoughts. What is the value is a tool of culture that analyzes. What it analyzes? Attitude, is it? Behavior and thoughts of the people. Then afterwards, value, it advocated by our constitution seeks equality, is it? So likewise, it seeks the equality. Good thing it is always accept that. Then afterwards we can see that when we adopt the good culture, afterwards we are all getting the freedom, equality, these type of the values in our mind, is it? Through that we are all already start to what is eradicate the discrimination, inequality in the society. So it creates, the culture has responsibility to strengthen the human relationship. Okay, so through that what it is, culture is responsibility to strengthen the human relationship. Then next one is the, understood this, what is a culture defines the values. Value is a tool to analyze the attitude, behaviors and also the thoughts of the society or people. Then value advocated by the constitution, it seeks the equality. When we adopt the good values, always we start to eradicate the discrimination and inequality. Okay, then next, culture is the responsibility to strengthen the human relationship. Okay, because of it gives the good values to us, through that our relationship become bonded very strongly. Then afterwards, culture explains the behavior models. Yes, already I explained likewise in the sociology. Sociology create a human being is a perfect person, perfect human being, is it? So we learn everything in this. So culture is a tool to mix in the social culture is a tool in the socialization process of the human being, is it? So it thoughts what is it explains the behavior models of the human being. So culture is a very important. So sometimes we are telling likewise you are the cultureless fellow, is it? So culture word is giving a wonderful and big meaning here. Values, traditions, attitudes, customs, all good things come under the culture. Okay, yes, here culture explains the behavioral model means it provides the aims and means to achieve them in the human society. It gives the aims and means to achieve the human society, and it supports those behavior that are the contemporary to society, what is societal aims. What is these values are support, what is culture is support to the behavioral that are contemporary society aims, is it? Afterwards, this culture is always against for the bad behaviors. Always it fight against the bad behaviors. Then afterwards we can see here it punishes that which is the not good for the society. That is, it is punished for the all misbehaviors which is not good for the society. So culture is punished that. Then for example, elders, teachers and parents will give the punishment and also the something punishment to the children, is it, when they do the wrong or mistake, is it? So this is the one of the example for that culture explains the behavior models, is it? So when we give the punishment to the children, afterwards the children makes the correction of that, is it? It is the quite common to do the any mistakes in our life, but here the elders, then afterwards teachers are give them punishment, otherwise gives the right path to those peoples is very necessary here. Understand this? Yes, here this is all about the culture explains the behavioral model.